My name is Ali Breaux, and I'm a client of the Glenn Armentor Law Corporation. I just graduated from UL in 2020 with a degree in speech pathology. I started dancing when I was 13. Before my accident, I was dancing 12 to 15 hours a week. I never stopped. I was always doing something with my friends. On the day of the accident, I was just driving. It was a normal day, going to work. Then this car pulled out in front of me. It was raining, so the ground was wet. So I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to stop. I was like, I'm about to hit this guy. And so I slammed on my brakes and just kind of skidded into his car. I was in shock, and right after, I remember feeling a little bit of pain in my shoulder. And then it felt like there was like a marble underneath my shoulder blade, like all the time, and like there was no way to get that sensation to go away. It was just kind of like a pain that was always there. And my lower back it hurt if I was sitting, standing, anything. Whenever I realized I couldn't dance, I found that I was more anxious, I was nervous, I was stressed out, and like I just didn't feel like myself. I had started with physical therapy, and it was a lot of Pilates training just to strengthen my back, and it was just kind of staying the same. So I had gone to see a chiropractor. I had tried injections in my back to try to see if that would relieve any of the pain, but it only worked for a couple days, and then the pain was back. I had tried to contact the other driver's insurance, and I told them like I was injured in this accident that I was involved in with one of your drivers. I just would like some of my medical bills to be paid because it's costing me a lot of money. I'm a college student. I can't really afford to keep going to therapy. They said, oh, well, we didn't know you were injured, so we can offer you this much money, but send us your medical bills if you think it would be more than that amount. So I sent it to them. Then they offered me a lower amount because they didn't think that my Pilates counted as physical therapy. I had talked to my dad, and he was like, well, Glenn Armentor Law Corporation had helped with his accident, so that's whenever I decided to call. So I went in and I met with Mr. Corey. He asked me, where are you? Like, are you totally better? What needs to be done to get you back to where you feel like you were before the accident? We worked to figure out like how we could make that happen. Mr. Corey helped me. He'd say, if you don't understand what this means, just ask me. He said, I know it's big words and not something you hear every day. So he would explain anything to me. And anytime I had questions, I could always email them or call the office. And anytime there was like an update, they would either email me or call me. And it just made me feel better. Like I knew that everything was taken care of. My back has been much better. I can now do the laundry without sitting down and going, oh my gosh, my back hurts so bad. I would love to thank them for just being so patient and explaining everything to me. They helped me get to be able to do what I enjoy again. I really appreciated that. My name is Ali Breaux, and I am a client of the Glenn Armentor Law Corporation, and I was not paid to tell my story.